Hello! Today is going to be kind of a different video from usual because I've been really enjoying Pokemon cards lately, like, opening boosters, trying to collect all the cards of my favorite Pokemons and playing with other people. Well, I'm not very good at playing yet, I keep losing, but it's been really fun. And since I bought some new boxes lately, I really wanted to make a video where I open them because I know people like those kind of videos and I thought it would be fun to do. So here we are. So I've got one box of Pikachu V. You can see it has a giant card, a smaller card, which are identical, and a normal card of Mimikyu, which I've always really loved. And it has four boosters of 10 cards each. You can see them on the back. And the other box I've got for this video is Zerarora, VMAX and VSTAR. So again, it has a giant card, which is the VSTAR, a smaller VSTAR card, a regular V, and a VMAX. And it has 4 boosters and a nice acrylic VSTAR marker, which you can use while playing. So first, I'm going to open the Pikachu one. Everybody loves Pikachu. Sorry about the weird angles of this video. I'm doing my best to film this with the supplies I have. So I opened it on the side, as you can see. I like keeping the boxes. I think they're nice. So we have our 2 smaller cards here. And of course, the online code card. I like playing the online game as well. So it's nice Pikachu, very shiny. I love when cards shine. And of course, our little Mimikyu guy, also very shiny. So next up is the giant card. You can see how big it is compared to the smaller ones. It's like 4 times the size of a normal card, I think. So yeah. I'm just putting it on the side for now. I do have a binder for my cards and I do put them away properly. Well, I try. So here we have 4 boosters. I'm sorry, I really don't know the names of all the extensions in English. So yeah, you're just gonna have to see the French names, and I might put them in the description later. So we're going to open up the one that has Shiny on it first, because I like him. So when opening packets, I try to be very careful like this, so I can keep the wrapper later, because they're pretty. I fucked it up. It's not too bad, it's just a little tear here, so it's fine, but... So again, there's the code card. So let's see. We've got Turtwig, this guy, I forgot his English name. The little gear looking thingies. I think this one's also Spiritomb in English, but I'm not sure, sorry. Tiny little dragon guy. Oh, oh, and creamy! Oh my god, look at how pretty it is. I love those trainer gallery illustrations. They're really, really nice. And it's like all shiny and it's like making a little cake. It's so cute. We've got bigger dragon guy. That's nice. It goes with the smaller one. And of course, an energy card. I'm gonna need those to play later. Friends of Galar. So it's like a bunch of little trainer guys at once. A bigger guy from... Again, it's the same as, like, it's the evolution of the one from earlier. And, oh, this one too. It's nice. So, that was the first booster. I think I'm pretty lucky for now, because I didn't think I would get, like, a trainer gallery one in the first booster. I'm usually not that lucky with cards, but this is nice. This is nice. So we're gonna open the dog one next. He's a fun little dog guy. Again, you try to be very careful, but there. I think I might... Yeah, I didn't damage this one. That's nice. So you slide them out. Again, code card. So we've got Fentop, this little wooden ghost guy. Ronflex, or however... No, Snorlax, that's his name in English. Big guy. I like him, he's nice, he makes me think of Totoro. Oh, Snum! The tiny dragon guy, I don't remember the English name. Punching guy. Oh, it's the big elephant. I like him. I like a lot of Pokemons. A big rock. An energy card. This one is Plant. Zigzagoon's Galarian Evolution. A big deer. And a flying scorpion. Those are fun cards. I like them. And well, of course, the 2 packs I just opened were the same extension, so I didn't have any doubles yet, but we're gonna see later. So, next is this package. Sorry if the video is blurry, by the way, I can't really adjust it at the same time as I'm moving, so... Code card. I know a lot of people will like slide the last 3 cards and put them on the front so that the rarer cards are at the very bottom of the pile, but I don't really like doing that. So we've got this plant guy, Piplup, little friend, this little other friend. Sorry, I really keep forgetting their names in English. It's insane. I like this one. I remember how to make it evolve in the games. I find it fun. So we've got Floatzel. Is that Floatzel or is Floatzel the bigger one? I don't remember. Oh, big moth. He's nice. He's shiny. Oh, look are you! Look how nice it is. It really shines. It's so cool. Another psychic type energy. Big ice bear. Big. Oh, a stadium card. And the blue guy. Yeah. This one's nice too. I like him. He looks cool. So we didn't get any doubles from the two the two boosters of the same extension. That's cool, I think. That's cool. And the last one for the Pikachu box with the big centipede thing on it. Okay, the back of this one is kind of ruined, but that's fine. That's fine. It's the front that's really nice. See, it looks fine. It's the back that's really... So I opened it backwards or something, but that's okay. Little duck. My little friend, the electric sheep. I feel like this one and Wooloo would be like good for a team. It would be fun to have the two sheeps at once. The little crab mushroom guy. The little goth baby girl guy. Flying metal bird. Ooh. His wings kind of look like swords. Oh, a nice supporter card that shines a little bit. It's nice. Oh, look at this one! It's a V, and it's like a really nice one too. I am being pretty lucky today. Look at him. Really nice. So we've got a fire energy. Our little friend, the owl. Yeah. Another stadium. This one is really pretty, I think. And another metal guy. Yeah. So those were the boosters in the Pikachu box. I really like these cards. So I'm just going to adjust the camera before doing the second box, I think. Okay, so I've adjusted the camera. Sorry again about the weird angles. I think the camera is just a bit too heavy for the ring light I'm using, so it just keeps falling forward slowly. So I hope it won't be too bad by the time I edit the video. So now that we've done Pikachu, we're going to do Zerarora, which is a slightly bigger box because it has three small cards instead of just two. Again, I've opened it on the side. Oh, this one has a little yellow sheet of cardboard on the back. See? Oh yeah, it's got instructions to improve your deck with those cards. It's nice. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna need it, I feel. So I am going to unpack those. Oh, maybe I should have gone about this the other way. Oh well. So our 4 boosters This one's got Lost Origin ones. So we've got our nice giant card. See, VSTAR. Very shiny, very nice. So as you can see, I do have a binder. On the cover is a drawing I did, because you can slide your own images in the covers. So I don't really have the space in it for giant cards, so I just put them in the cover space for now. I'm gonna be buying little binder sheets for big cards, or making them or something, because I also have a binder where you can put your own sheets in. It will be a lot nicer, I feel, than just leaving them in the cover like this. So we've got the VSTAR marker. So people, when I've opened boosters with them, were sometimes confused about the VSTAR card. So you see, VSTAR cards have got a VSTAR ability that is special to each of them, but you can only use this once per game. So even if you have multiple VSTAR Pokemons, you can still only use one VSTAR ability in the entire game. So you put this in the corner of your playing area, and then when you use the talent, the ability, you turn the VSTAR marker upside down, so it's, you know, black on the other side, so you know you've used it. Usually you just remember you have, but this is like, to be honest, you know, when you're playing, so that it's fair for your opponent. So, code card, of course, Zerarora V, which is a really nice card, I think. Like, I think I would have liked this one as a giant card, but I like the other one too. The VMAX, again, really nice. This one would have made a nice giant card too. Like, the way he looks to be like roaring or something, it's really cool. And the VSTAR is here. I do think the illustration on this one is a little bit more boring than the other two, but that's okay. You can't have everything. So, all 4 little boosters. I'm going to start with Shaymin again, and try not to destroy this one. No, this one's good. Perfect. So I have at least one Shaymin wrapper that isn't like destroyed on the front. That's good. So we've got little blue guy, electric, Bidoof. When I was playing with people yesterday, they were really, one of them was really complaining about Bidoof and its evolution. It was funny. A little electric guy again, but a different one. This bird, I think it's a bird. Well, it looks like a bird. It has wings. Floatzel again. I think this one is the same we had earlier, doesn't it look? I think it is. Oh, nice one. That's Piplop's evolution. Insect guy. A dark energy. I think this one is Dustclops. I like him too. I really like a lot of Pokemons. Ice Bear again, yeah, and a nice trainer card. Those are nice. No, and obviously it's not Trainer Gallery Alchemy, but it's still nice. next up I'm going to open this one. I like this Pokemon too. I have the tin box of him. It's really cool. I've been using him in my playing deck. Well, he hasn't done a lot of attacking so far, but I still like having him. And the wrapper is all nice, so that's good. I didn't damage it. So who do we get? A metal guy. That's the magnet one. Rarts, which is a Pokemon a lot of people like because it becomes you know, really elegant when it evolves. Oh, that's a Hisuian one. I like Hisuian Pokemons. They have like nice little alternative designs. Mischievous. Some fish guy. He's funny. Big-headed one. Look at him, he's so squarish. Look, another V! It's so cool! It's like he's really attacking in front of you. It's really cool. I'm really glad I got these nice cards. So I'm putting it on the side so I don't damage it. Another energy card, of course. Oh, nice, nice. That's one of the elves guys. I think this one is the knowledge one. I like him. He's the mascot of the French equivalent to Bulbapedia. So big bear guy. Big. And little, you know, thingy. I don't know what kind of animal this is supposed to be based on, but it looks cute. Yeah. So that's for the second booster. Now we have the last two ones, which are Lost Origin. So that's the latest extension that came out in September. We are going to get a new extension soon, in early to mid-November, I think. But yeah, these are the latest two ones we have, or at least we have here. And apparently a lot of people have said that Lost Origin has a lot of good cards you can get, so that it's like a good idea to buy boosters of it. So yeah, I hope I'm going to get something nice from these. I need a Giratina VSTAR to play with. Spider guy? I like spiders. I like bugs in general. People don't usually like bugs, but I do. Another mushroom guy, but I think this one's a little different from the other one. This one was funny because I think you had to turn your your DS upside down to make it evolve or something like that. Another Hisuian Pokemon, but this time it's the fish, you know, the one that's really angry. Fantop again, but with a different illustration. The fighting guy, but shining. Oh, look at him! Look! Another V! And it's got like the Lost Origin little swirls, you know? That means it's got attacks relating to the Lost Zone. That's fun. The Lost Zone is like it's like when you put cards in the Lost Zone, you can't get them again. Like there's no cards that can get you cards from the Lost Zone. They're lost. Well, until the end of the game. It's a fun mechanic. Energy card, of course. Hand monkey. big snowman, and some kind of object. And finally, the last one. It's got that new Pokemon, the love-themed one. I find it kind of interesting how they added a new Pokemon to an already established trio. I think that's a cool idea. I wouldn't mind them doing that again. Code card, by the way, don't even try to use the codes. I'm gonna be using them before I post the video, so it won't work. So we've got a little metal guy, electric dog, green, very nice green, the little ghost man, a classic Pokemon, this thing. I always thought it looked like two hands, but I don't know if that's what's intended. The little crow with a little hat. Big fighting Pokemon. The evolution of the little squid guy we saw earlier. The one that evolves by being put upside down. An energy card. A snake. Ooh. This thing, but like its Galarian form. And another object. Well, that's nice. I feel like the cards I got weren't too bad overall. I'm going to put the two new ones away. Well, the two rare ones. See, I've got a binder where you can add sheets to. So I'm going to put those in here so that they're protected, because I don't want them to get damaged. They're like, these cards are like my children, you know. I don't want them to get damaged. I don't want to lose them. I don't want anything to happen to them. They're not that well organized in this binder, but maybe I'll fix that eventually. So yeah, that's it. I opened 4 boosters and we got to see the cards together. It was nice. So, bye.